แล้วเซสชันนี้ก็เป็นการแนะนำนะคะตลาดสัญญาซื้อขายล่วงหน้านะคะแล้วก็โปรเจกต์ที่วันนี้เรากำลังจะลงนามในเรื่องของ MOU กันด้วยกันนะคะในการพัฒนาเรื่องของ Gold Benchmark นะคะ Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you to speak on the subject that I think will be of interest to every one of you today, which is the new gold benchmark, a key development to the Thai gold ecosystem. As you may aware that Thai market is one of the biggest gold spot market in the region. We have the entrepreneur trading and engaging in gold trading and other related business, both domestic and internationally. In Thailand, we have developed a variety of gold-related products and also provide access and services to our customers so that they can invest, trade, hedging, and access to our service inclusively, efficiently, and easily. Today, our business partner, who are the leading gold entrepreneur in Thailand, are proudly together with TFEX to announce our cooperation on the new gold benchmark project, which we think that it will be a stepping stone for the development of Thai gold industry. But before diving into the detail of the projects, may I use a couple more minutes to introduce you on the Thailand Future Exchange, which we also one of the key players in the gold benchmarking project as well. Thailand Future Exchange or TFEX basically is the wholly subsidiary of the Stock Exchange of Thailand, and we has been in operation since 2006. Actually, it's established in 2004, but we used 2 years for preparation. Next year, we will complete our 2-decade anniversary, which is like a teenager just turned into the adult. TFEX right now has 36 members, and 5 of which has gold-related business, either through the same shareholder groups or their subsidiary company. And these are the classic Australis Investment Advisory Security, Global Security, Hoseng Gold Future, MTS Capital, and YLG Bullion and Futures. TFEX actually, in terms of volume traded, we traded around 45,000 contracts to 500,000 contracts per day. And we have a variety of products. The product range has come from the equity derivative, which is the main product is the SCT 50 index futures and SCT 50 index options, single stock futures, and sector index futures. The SCT 50 futures is the local main index, which represents the most liquid and biggest market cap in the stock exchange of Thailand. And we also have a financial derivative like the foreign exchange future, which is basically including baht futures and also non-cross baht futures. Basically, it's USD futures, EUR Thai baht futures, and Japanese yen futures. Basically, it's for hedging, and we also have non-baht cross product like EUR USD and USD JPY futures. And we also emphasize on gold products. At present, we have a variety of gold products. The most popular one definitely is gold online futures, which is the 995 gold products. The gold futures, the gold online futures, the daily average volume is around 35 to 40,000 contracts per day. And also, we have the gold futures, which is the local standard, is 965, which is we have 2 contracts, is 10 baht and 50 baht. And also, we also have the gold D, which is delivery contract, is a 49 contract. And we also have the silver futures online, futures, which is basically the silver based product, which has been launched at I think before the gold aligned contract. As TFEX also merged with the agriculture future of Thailand, so at present we also have the agriculture commodity, we have rubber futures, and also which is settled in physical delivery and Japanese rubber futures, which we related the contract with the JPX exchange. Based on speaking of goals, I think even though TFEX has emphasized the gold contract, because we think that in Thailand the gold is very popular and it has been widely accepted that gold is the preferred asset among Thai people for saving, investment, and trading. And Thailand has very big spot gold market, which is competitively serving wholesale and retail customer. Based on 2024 statistic, we have approximately 9,700 shops around the country, and the demand per year on the same year is I think about 39.8 tons. And the demand has been rose 25% year on year, or 11.6 tons. Actually, the statistic has been mentioned in the previous session, which you can see that the growing demand on the gold spot Thai has been growing constantly. I think with this, the surge in the gold price and the volatility of the gold, it expected that the gold spot trend for this year will be continue to grow. It expected that this year the projection would be 53.7 tons. And also in terms of the futures contract, just want to portray you the picture. We have the gold online contract, which is the contract size is about 10 ounce. If we took if we convert the weight for the future contract with the volume that we trade all years, it comes to 4,000 metric ton, which is if we convert to daily with daily weight, it probably be 1/3 of the physical gold annually. So it's the size of the contract that we meant by 40,000 contract per day. Actually, I think the growth in the Thai market, in the gold Thai market, physical as well as derivative has been growing as a result of many factors. The first is the popularity of the gold as investment and trading asset among local people. I think our physical gold demand ranks 7th globally. And the second is the volatility of the gold and surge in gold price that make the trading opportunity and investment opportunity become very popular. And third, the development of service and products of gold. Thai market has offers variety of gold products in both spot and derivative market. In the spot gold market, besides goldsmith shop around the country, there are many trading platforms around which offers products offered in Thai baht as well as USD products. And some platform has been linkage with the banks and some investment application, which make investor can access the gold trading and services very easy. And gold becomes one part of the asset that investors basically accumulated for their future wealth. And additionally, on the TFEX side as well, which we already demonstrate that, Thai gold's future contract has ranked 7 globally and number 4 in Asia in terms of gold traded volume. But in Asian market, we probably rank number 1. As mentioned, that this product has been gradually developed over the years, and we found that there is some room for improvement when it comes to doing business. Actually, if we look at our player, their business is not only concentrated in Thailand or in Bangkok, but the business partner has been all over the regions, and they're doing a lot of business transaction overseas as well as in Thailand. Currently, when we traded, we do business transaction. We base on the global key market. Use the reference price on the global key market, from US or UK. But the issue is that we are in Asian time zone, and in some duration, we probably feel that the global market reference price do not fully meet our need. So TFEX, as well as our partner, has been exploring to use this gap to seize the opportunity for the different time zone. We want to use this opportunity to develop the benchmark to use as a reference price in dollar term for our wholesale trading transaction in Asian time zone. Actually, the initiative had been discussed for years, but lately we actually has our roadmap for development, which has defined into two phases. The first phase, basically, I would call it the development phase. This process maybe actually involve the key stakeholder or the co-founders in terms of contributors for the projects. And we try to refine the methodology and process development that is transparent, verifiable, and internationally aligned mechanism. Basically, we want to make sure that our method or our mechanism is aligned with the financial benchmark regulation. So basically, everyone could refer it with trust and confidence. The second, besides the methodology developments and the data preparation, we also have to do the system development, which is the process that is going on right now to calculate the reference price. And once it has been done, we will use it to assess our goals benchmarks, which we will use is to compare in terms of usage with international benchmark price. This process range about 6 to 9 months, which we are right now in this process. For the second process, I would call it a second phase. I'll call it the implementation phase. In this implementation, basically, we will calculate the price and disseminate the benchmark to ensure that the accessibility of the public on the gold benchmark price. And what we try to do is to collaborate with the industry participants and all users to support the adoption and usage of the benchmark in terms of using it as a base for doing the business transaction. So in terms of focus for its development, we have defined our goals or focus in its state. So at this point, we are only at the initial stage. We try to develop the Thailand Gold benchmark price. And the second stage, we will try to focus on gaining the recognition as a reference price for domestic wholesale transaction. And then we'll try to expand the usage of the benchmark in connection with the issuance of the spot and derivative products. So it actually has been used and has the usage for the reference price. And once we can do that, we will expand it to serve as a reference price for the regional and to promote Thailand role as regional gold trading hubs. So this is the update for the projects. So in summary, I would say that the gold benchmark price represents a significant milestone for the Thai gold ecosystem. And by establishing a reliable reference price, we are not only enhance the efficiency and transparency of gold trading in Thailand, but also position ourselves as a key player in the global gold context. This initiative will undoubtedly attract more business, foster innovation, and drive sustainable growth in our gold industry. So let us seize this opportunity to elevate Thai gold market to a new height and create a brighter future for all the stakeholders involved. So I urge you all the stakeholders, the gold entrepreneurs, and the industry partner in Thailand to actively participate in this transformative journey. Your support and collaboration are crucial to the success of the implementation and the adoption of the new gold benchmark. Let us work hand in hand to achieve this vision and make the Thai gold ecosystem a model for the world. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will begin the official Memorandum of Understanding signing ceremony for the development of Thailand Gold Benchmark Prize. This significant collaboration is between Thailand Futures Exchange and 5 big gold dealers, Australis Company Limited, Hua Seng Heng Group, MTS Gold Met Hong Suk, YLG Bullion International Company Limited, and GCAP Company Limited. At this time, may I invite คุณธนรัตน์ พัสวงศ์ Chief Executive Officer หัวเซ็งเฮง Group คุณทิพา ณววัฒนทรัพย์นะครับ Executive Chief Executive Officer YLG Bullion International Company Limited คุณบุญเลิศนะครับ Chief Executive Officer จากทาง Australis คุณณัฐพงศ์หิรัญยศิรินะครับ Chief Executive Officer จากทาง MTS Gold แม่ทองสุขและคุณชัยวัฒน์สามัคคีนิต Chief Executive Officer จากทาง GCAP Company Limited บนเวทีแล้วนะครับ On our next agenda, we would like to invite our executive to offer some remark on this momentous collaboration. The first one, may I invite คุณธนรัตน์ พัสวงศ์ Chief Executive Officer หัวเซ็งเฮง Group to share your opinion, please.
Thank you, and it's a good collaboration with TFEX, and thank you TFEX for being the spearhead of this project. I think within the previous session that you hear about the volume of trades that we have on the OTC side and also on the future side in Thailand, by having this benchmark will be even more transparent of the pricing real time that reflects the local domestic market, which will help be a very good benchmark and transparent. As I mentioned to you before, that if we have the transparency and the trust, that's when we can connect with the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Thanaraj. Next, Ms. Thipa Nawapathanasap, please.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you know that the Thai gold market now is demonstrating remarkable strength in both physical and futures trading. In year 2024, we can see that the gold consumptions in Thailand increased for almost 13%. And also on the TFEX side, it increased around 10%. We have around 12 million contracts for gold trading last year. Globally, we see leading exchanges as Shanghai, Dubai, India, that exhibiting themselves as a powerful hub for gold trading. They not only provide the price discovery, but also create a trust ecosystem for hedging and investment. For Thailand, this is the next crucial step in development of the gold fixing benchmark price on TFEX. This initiative will build transparency and it will attract both domestic and international investors. And it will help us to enable new product innovations. And importantly, it will elevate Thailand's positions in the global good ecosystem. This benchmark price is not just a number. It's the engine that will drive Thailand gold market forward, reducing reliance on overseas benchmark, strengthening our local industry, and give Thailand a stronger voice in international markets. Through the partnership MOU and collaboration, we are ensuring Thailand will not only remain a key gold trading hub in Asia, but also emerging as a recognized player on the global market. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Tipan Nawapathanasap. The next, we may invite Mr. Bullard Siri Patharavanit to share this momentous collaboration, please. Thank you.
I just want to conclude that the gold fixing price in Thailand future market will increase transparency, improve risk management, boost liquidity, support new product and digital finance, as stated in Thailand law of regional gold trading hub also. And I think that with the collaboration with each other, we can make it grow up and more full collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bullard Siri Patharavanit. Next, Mr. Natapong Hiranyasiri, please share your collaboration, please.
So, as I mentioned, we are seeing, I would say, once in a lifetime, kind of, all the big players of the Thai people coming and sign together of a MOU, which is like, if you ask me 10 years ago, I wouldn't believe today is happening. So again, thanks TFEX for making today happen. As you can see that the people on this stage are the key, not just Thai gold market, but also in ASEAN, so-called in Singapore market and internationally. We have been actively in Thailand and actively internationally growing the market. So to bring together the Thai market to elevate for the next, we are partnership with the Thailand Future Exchange to launch the first so-called gold benchmark, or some of us who understand in our industry as a gold fixing in the morning and in the evening to help price the benchmark. This benchmark will be a bit different from the, some of you might have heard the Asian benchmark in China, which is the SGI, but those are more in the RMB, in the China market, which is local. But TFEX, working together with all the gold players, we want to internationalize this so-called Asia fixing. And with the exchange expertise and TFEX expertise in doing the benchmark of the gold with the other future volume and the OTC volume come together, we will create one of the first very unique Asia benchmark for the true Asia benchmark in the country that hopefully will again connect Thailand gold market and gold globalization with the world. Thank you.
Thank you Mr. ณัฐพงศ์ ธินยสุครับถัดไปครับขออนุญาตเรียนเชิญ Mr. ชัยวัฒน์ สามัคคีนิต to share this collaboration for today please.
Distinguished guests, what we are building today may be new to many Thai entrepreneurs, but having our own goal fixing will create clear benefits and opportunities for future in at least 3 areas. First, as we develop Thailand goal fixing into a widely recognized benchmark, it will allow business to manage risk more efficiently. The price will more accurately reflect the real supply and demand of the ASEAN market and will be announced during our local working hours. Second, goal fixing will provide the fundamental of new financial products. This will expand the gold market in both volume and variety, creating benefit across the industry. Third, an accepted goal fixing will strengthen the credibility of Thailand's gold industry and position us as one of a standard setter in the region. So, we are not doing this only to solve today's challenges, but also to create new possibility for the future. Thank you.
ครับผมขอบพระคุณคุณชัยวัฒน์ สามัคคีนิตนะครับจากทาง G Capital นะครับแล้วครับขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับพิธีลงนามในครั้งนี้นะครับขอบคุณทุกท่านเป็นอย่างสูงนะครับในการลงนามบันทึกข้อตกลงความร่วมมือในครั้งนี้นะครับ Thank you very much for you all นะครับ